Good day, everyone. I am Angel Sheridan R. Ignacio.
And I am Therese B. Jimena.
And on behalf of Group 3, we will be presenting spot maps.
So first, what is a spot map? A spot map is basically a map that shows where certain things happens by marking spots on it. It's often used in health and geography to track events like disease outbreaks, accidents, or even crime. The idea is to see patterns and figures out there's a reason why something is happening more in one place than another. For example, if a school nurse wanted to know where most students are getting sick with the flu, they, they could put a dot on a school map for each student's classroom. If most of the dots are in one hallway, it might mean that where the flu is spreading the most, and they can focus on cleaning that area or warning students to be extra careful there.
So here is the Barangay Ubos spot map. It highlights key locations in Barangay Ubos, including Sitio Salaksakan. So its key sites include schools, which are St. Luke's Academy, and Valderrama Central Elementary School. Its health facilities, which is Valderrama Municipal Hospital Health Center, government buildings, municipal plaza, and barangay hall, and commercial establishments such as pharmacy, Petron, Palawan, and Garrett Graphics. Next are its natural features such as flood-prone areas and agricultural lands such as rice, corn, and peanuts. Its transportation are bridges and roads for navigation, and an overview of Barangay Ubos. It is located in the municipality of Valderrama, province of Antique. It is a rural barangay with 5 puroks, and its total land area is 3.957 kilometers squared, 1.94 kilometers squared for agriculture. It serves as a guide for residents and visitors to navigate the area.
So next is components of a spot map. Distance, directions, symbol, essential for all maps. Spot map overview visually represents data points on a geographic area using dots, defining characteristic, uses dots to show location or concentration of data.
Next is the compass rose. A spot map's direction part usually has a compass rose showing the main directions, which are north, south, east, west, and sometimes the in-between directions, helping users find their way and understand where the spots are located. In the Barangay Ubos spot map, the direction component highlights various landmarks. For example, to the west, you'll find St. Luke's Academy, Valderrama Central Elementary School, the Barangay Hall, the bridge, Leo's Pool, the Barangay Isolation Unit, and flood-prone areas. To the east, you'll see the church, Municipal Plaza, Health Center, Valderrama Municipal Hospital, cemetery, pharmacy, Petron, Palawan, Garrett Graphics, and other key places. The compass rose at the top of the map shows north, helping users navigate these locations.
So next is the map key. Spot maps use various symbols to represent different places and features, and the key or legend explains what each symbol means, making the map easier to understand and navigate. This community map overview provides a guide to local landmarks and services. Key locations include St. Luke's Academy and Valderrama Central Elementary School for education, the church for spiritual gatherings, and the municipal plaza as the hub for local governance and events. The barangay hall is administrative office for local officials. For healthcare, the health center and Valderrama Municipal Hospital provide essential medical services. The bridge connects various areas, and Leo's Pool offers a recreational space. The Barangay Isolation Unit or BIU is available for emergency isolation needs. Additional services include cemetery, pharmacy, Petron gas station, and Palawan for financial transactions. Local business like Garrett Graphic support the economy with graphic design services. Certain areas are prone to flooding, serving as a reminder for residents to stay alert during heavy rains. The Valderrama Municipal Hospital remains an important healthcare provider. This map helps you navigate the community.
Next is locating the distance. So distance refers to the spatial measurement between two or more points marked on the map. It is measured in units like meters, kilometers, or miles, depending on the map's scale and purpose. The purpose of measuring distance. First is navigation. It helps determine the travel distance between locations. Second, spatial analysis. It analyzes relationships and proximity between map features. And lastly, planning, which assists in route planning and logistics by calculating distances.
Uses of a spot map. In disease outbreaks, spot maps pinpoint outbreak locations, helping authorities understand severity and spread to implement effective control measures. Resource planning. After disasters or during crisis, spot maps identify affected areas, enabling efficient allocation of resources like emergency supplies and medical aid. Public health. Spot maps highlight vulnerable areas for diseases, allowing targeted interventions like sanitation improvement or community awareness programs. Environmental health. These maps assess environmental risk and safe water pollution to guide mitigation efforts and protect public health. So as for progress monitoring, organizations use spot maps to track program effectiveness, identifying areas of success and those needing further attention.
And that is all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.